Hello there, my name's David Hurrian and I'm going to show you how to make some really substantial raised beds using recycled decking. Now, using timber or even resin decking boards to make a raised bed is a really good idea. So I'm going to saw these decking boards up into sections that are big enough to make my raised beds. I'm then going to screw the decking boards to some upright timber posts, leaving enough of the timber post at the bottom, probably around 20 to 30 centimetres, to use as a locator into the ground. Once I've made my two basic side panels, one for each side of the raised bed, I'm then going to dig the locator holes in the ground, making sure that the ground is level all the way round. And then I'm going to screw the boards to the ends of the raised beds to make a complete structure. Now, having built my basic structure of the raised bed, I'm then going to fill the bottom with bits of rubble or any bits of old rotten timber I might have, which helps to fill up the bed without using too much topsoil. I can then use any subsoil or turfs from the revamped lawn, invert the turfs where they'll rot down and make some really nice growing material for your plants. And then top off the top 20 to 30 centimetres of the raised bed with a mixture of topsoil and some organic matter. Fork that all in and you've got the perfect growing medium to get growing. So these sorts of raised beds are ideal for growing vegetables. You could also grow fruit or herbs in them, or even if you wanted to grow ornamental plants. So there's no excuse. If you've got poor soil in your garden, build some raised beds and really beef up your soil so you can grow the best plants possible.